Hello everyone, here the topic is know numbers 1 to 50. So here the child will recap numbers 1 to 5, say and trace the number. So the child will say the number 1, so here they have to trace 1 like this and complete this whole row. After that, here there are two objects. So they have to trace, they have to say 2 and then trace 2. Like this, and then they have to complete this whole row. After that, there are 3 objects here. So here the number 3 is written and they have to trace number 3 and complete this whole row by doing the same. After that, there are 4 objects, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number is 4. So they have to read and trace the number. The last one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 objects, the number is 5. So here they have to trace the number again like this and complete this whole row. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को 1 to 5 के नंबर्स की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है, उसका रिकैप करवाया जा रहा है. तो सबसे पहले उनको यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट्स देखना है, नंबर्स को बोलना है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. उसके बाद नंबर्स को ट्रेस करके ये पूरी वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. वो लोग पेंसिल कलर्स का भी यूज कर सकते हैं ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करने के लिए. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child will recap about numbers up 6 to 10. So here they have to say and trace the number. So here the number is 6. They have to say the number 6 and then trace it over here like this. They can also use pencil colors or pencils to trace it. So they have to complete tracing this whole row. After that, the number is 7. So then they have to say the number 7 and then trace it and then complete tracing the whole row. After that, the number is 8. So they have to say the number 8 and then they have to complete tracing number 8 over here. After that, the number is 9. So they have to say the number 9 and complete tracing number 9 over here like this. After that, the number is 10. So they have to say the number 10 and complete tracing number 10 over here in this full row. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को नंबर 6 to 10 का रिकैप करवाया जा रहा है. बच्चों को नंबर्स को रीड करना है और फिर उनको ट्रेस करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child will recap numbers 11 to 15. So here they have to say and trace the number. So here the number is 11. Here it is written 10 and 1 is 11. Also please bring it to the child's notice that here one group of 10 is given. So 10 and 1 is 11 or 10 plus 1 makes 11. So here they can also recap about addition as well because here it's given 10 and 1 makes 11 or 10 and 1 is 11. So then they have to trace the number 11 over here and complete this whole row. After that, a bundle of 10, that is or a group of 10 and 2 ones. So 10 and 2 is 12. So here the number 12 is given. So the child has to say the number 12 and trace it and complete this whole row by tracing the same. Again over here, one group of 10 and 3 ones. So 10 and 3 is 13. So then the child has to trace the number 13 over here and then complete this whole row. After that, one group of 10 and 4 ones. So 10 and 4 is 14. So they have to trace the number 14 over here and then complete this whole row. The last is one group of 10 and 5 ones. So 10 and 5 is 15. So they have to trace the number 15 over here and complete this whole row. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को 11 to 15 नंबर्स का रिकैप करवाया जा रहा है। तो उनको यहाँ पे कुछ विजुअल्स भी दिए गए हैं जिसकी वजह से वो लोग नंबर्स को आइडेंटिफाई कर पाए इजीली। उसके बाद उनको ट्रेसिंग करनी है हर एक नंबर की और फिर ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू। Hello everyone. In this page, the child will recap numbers 16 to 20. So here they have to say and trace the number. So here one group of 10 and 6 ones is given. So it is given over here 10 and 6 is 16. So the number is 16 and then the child has to trace the number 16 and complete this row. After that, it's one group of 10 and 7 ones. So 10 and 7 is 17. So here they have to trace the number 17 and complete this row. After that, it is one group of 10 and 8 ones. So 10 and 8 is 18. So the number is 18 and after that they have to trace the number 18 over here and complete this whole row. Next is one group of 10 and 9 ones. So 10 and 9 is 19. So here they have to trace the number 19 and complete this whole row. After that, there are two groups of 10 which makes 10 and 10 is 20 as given over here. So the number is 20. So 20, 2 tens is 20. So they have to trace the number 20 and complete this whole row. So यहाँ पे बच्चों को नंबर 16 to 20 की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है। उनको यहाँ पे विजुअल्स दिए गए हैं जिसके वजह से वो लोग नंबर्स को बाइफरकेट कर पाए, उनको आइडेंटिफाई कर पाएंगे और उसके बाद उनको नंबर्स को रीड करना है और उसको ट्रेस करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू। हेलो एवरीवन। In this page, the child will know the numbers 21 to 25. So here they have to say and trace the number. So here there are two groups of 10 which are given here and 1 ones. So 20, two groups of 10 makes 20 and 1 is 21. So the number is 21 and after that the child has to trace the number 21 here and complete this whole row after tracing the number. Then there are two groups of 10 and 2 ones. So 20 and 2 is 22. So the number is 22. Then the child has to trace the number 22 over here and complete doing the whole row. After that again there are two tens and 3 ones. So 20 and 3 is 23. So the number is 23. So they have to trace it and then complete the whole row. The next is two group of tens and 4 ones. So 20 and 4 is 24. So the number is 24 and then the child has to trace the number over here and complete this whole row. After that it's two tens and 5 ones. So 20 and 5 is 25. So here the number is 25. So we will be tracing it like this and then the child will be completing this. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को 21 से 25 नंबर्स जो है उसकी प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है, उनके बारे में समझाया गया है। तो बच्चों को नंबर्स को रीड करना है यहाँ पे विजुअल्स को देख के और उसके बाद उसको ट्रेसिंग करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू। Hello everyone. In this page, the child will know the numbers 26 to 30. So here they have to say and trace the number. So here there are 2 tens and 6 ones. So 20 and 6 is 26. So here they have to trace the number 26. And complete this whole row. After that, there are 2 group of tens and 7 ones. So 20 and 7 is 27. So the number is 27 and then the child has to trace the number over here. After that, there are 2 groups of 10 and 8 ones. So 20 and 8 is 28. So again over here they will be tracing the number 28. And then complete doing this whole row. After that it's 2 groups of 10 and 9 ones. So 20 and 9 is 29. So here they have to trace the number 29 and complete this whole row. After that there are 3 groups of 10, that is 3 groups of 10 makes 3 tens. So 3 tens are 30. So the number is 30 and the child has to trace the number 30 over here and complete doing this whole row. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को 26 से लेके 30 तक के जो नंबर्स है उसके बारे में बताया गया है। तो बच्चों को नंबर्स को रीड करना है, फिर उसको ट्रेसिंग करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू। हेलो एवरीवन। In this page, the child will know the numbers 31 to 35. So here they have to say and trace the number. So here there are 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 10 and 1 ones. So 30 and 1 is 31. So the number is 31 and then the child has to trace the number 31 over here. And complete doing this whole row. After that there are again 1, 2, 3. 3 tens and 2 ones. So 30 and 2 is 32. So then the number is 32 and the child over here has to trace the number 32. After that there are 3 groups of tens and 3 ones. So 30 and 3 is 33. So the number is 33 and the child has to trace it over here and complete this whole row. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 3 groups of 10 and 4 ones. So 30 and 4 is 34. So here the number is 34. They have to trace the number 34 over here and complete this whole row. After that there are 1, 2, 3. 3 tens and 5 ones over here. So 30 and 5 is 35. So the child has to trace the number 35 over here and complete doing this whole row. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को 31 से लेके 35 के जो नंबर्स है उसकी रीडिंग और ट्रेसिंग प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है। तो बच्चों को नंबर्स को रीड करना बोलना है, नंबर्स को बोलना है 31 और यहाँ पे उनके विजुअल्स भी दिए गए हैं कि कैसे ये नंबर 31 हो रहा है। सो 3 ग्रुप्स ऑफ 10 और 1 ones will make 31 and so on. तो प्लीज ब्रिंग इट टू द चाइल्ड्स नोटिस ओवर हियर और उनको ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है उसके बाद. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child will know the numbers 36 to 40. So here they have to say and trace the number. So here there are 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 10 and 6 ones. So here 30 and 6 is 36. So the number is 36. Then the child has to trace the number over here and complete this whole row of 36, tracing the number 36. After that there are 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 10 and 7 ones. So 30 and 7 is 37. So the number is 37 and then the child has to trace the number 37 over here and complete this whole row of tracing the same. After that, there are 3 groups of 10 and 8 ones. So, 30 and 8 is 38. So, the number is 38 over here. So, the child has to trace the number 38 here and complete tracing it for the whole row. Then, there are 3 tens over here, 1, 2, 3 and 9 ones. So 30 and 9 is 39. So here the number is 39. So the child has to trace the number 39 and complete tracing the number 39 for the whole row. After that there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. So 4 tens are 40. So they have to trace the number 40 over here and complete this whole row. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को 36 से लेके 40 तक के जो नंबर्स है उसके बारे में बताया गया है. तो उनको नंबर को रीड करना है, उनको बोलना है और ट्रेस करना है. और यहाँ पे विजुअल्स भी दिए गए हैं ताकि बच्चे नंबर्स को आइडेंटिफाई कर पाए. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, we are going to know the numbers 41 to 45. So here the child has to say and trace the numbers that are given over here in this page. So the first one is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 10 and 1 ones. So 40 and 1 is 41. So here they have to say the number and after that they have to trace the number 41 over here. Then there are 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, 2 ones, that is 40 and 2 is 42. So the number is 42 and the child has to trace the number 42 over here. After that there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens and 3 ones. So 4 tens and 3 ones is 40 and 3 is 43. After that they have to trace the number 43 over here. Again and then they have to complete this whole row for each number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is 4 tens and 4 ones. So 40 and 4 is 44. So here the number is 44. So the child has to say it and then trace it over here. And complete this whole row. After that it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens and 5 ones. So 40 and 5 is 45. So here they have to trace the number 45 and complete this whole row. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को 41 से लेके 45 तक के नंबर्स की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है. तो बच्चों को यहाँ पे विजुअल्स भी दिए गए हैं तो उससे वो लोग नंबर को आइडेंटिफाई कर पाएंगे तो उनको नंबर को बोलना है और उसके बाद ट्रेस करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू। Hello everyone. In this page, the child will know the numbers 46 to 50. So here they have to say and trace the number. So which is given over here. So here there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens and 6 ones is given. So the number is 40 and 6, which is 46. After that the child has to trace the number 46 here and complete this whole row for tracing the same number. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 tens and 7 ones. So 40 and 7 is 47. So here they have to trace the number 47 and complete this whole row. After that it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens and 8 ones. So 40 and 8 is 48. And here they have to trace the number 48. And complete this whole row. After that there are 4 tens and 9 ones. So 40 and 9 is 49. So here the number is 49. So they have to complete tracing the number 49 for this whole row. The last one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. So 5 tens are 50. So here they have to trace the number 50 over here. For the whole row. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को 46 से लेके 50 तक के नंबर्स की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है। बच्चों को नंबर्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना है, उनको बोलना है और उसके बाद उनको ट्रेसिंग प्रैक्टिस करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू। हेलो एवरीवन, इन दिस पेज द चाइल्ड विल रिवाइज नंबर्स 1 to 50. So here they have to see and write the numbers 1 to 50. So here the first column is of numbers 1 to 10. So they have to see the number 1 and then write 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. After that, the second column is of numbers 11 to 20. So here they have to write the number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Next is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. After that it is 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Next is 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को 1 to 50 तक के नंबर्स की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है। तो उनको यहाँ पे नंबर्स को देखना है और दिए गए सर्कल में नंबर्स को वापस से लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है और ऐसे ही वो लोग 1 to 50 के नंबर्स को रिवाइज भी करेंगे। थैंक यू। Hello everyone. In this page, the child will revise numbers 1 to 50. So here they have to write numbers 1 to 50 on their own. So they will start by writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then here from 11 to 20, so they will write 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. After that it's from 21 to 30. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Next is 31 to 40. So 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Next is from 41 to 50. So 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. So here the child has to revise the numbers 1 to 50 and also they can recall the sequence of the numbers from 1 to 50. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को 1 to 50 तक के नंबर्स की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है. तो यहाँ पे उनको 1 से लेके 50 तक के नंबर्स जो है वो खुद से लिखना है और लिखते लिखते सीक्वेंस भी वो लोग रिकॉल करेंगे तो ही वो लोग लिख पाएंगे. थैंक यू.